Hey guys, welcome back to Wall Street Tactical. Today we're looking at the stock VBLT. VBLT stands for Vascular Biogenics Ltd. and is a company that is a clinical biopharmaceutical company that focuses on the discovery, development, and commercialization of treatments for cancer and immune inflammatory indications in Israel and the United States. The company's program is based on its proprietary vascular targeting system platform technology, which utilizes genetically targeted therapy to destroy newly formed or angiogenic blood vessels. Its lead product candidate is VB111, a gene-based biologic that is in phase 3 clinical trials for the recurrent platinum-resistant ovarian cancer and phase 2 clinical trials treatment of recurrent glioblastoma and colorectal cancer, as well as has completed phase 2 clinical trial for the treatment of thyroid cancer. It is also developing various other similar drugs, and the company was formerly known as Medicard Ltd. and changed its name to Vascular Biogenics Ltd. in January 2003. Vascular Biogenics was incorporated in 2000 and is headquartered in Modin, Israel. The stock trades on the Nasdaq GM Stock Exchange and through brokers such as Webull, SoFi, Capital.com, TD Ameritrade, among many others, are where transactions can be executed. At the time of this recording, the current stock price is US $2.09, but as according to Simply Wall Street, the projected fair value for the stock is US $29.85, leaving a 93.0% undervalue projection. The stock was in 3 hedge funds portfolios at the end of September 2021, and VBLT shares haven't seen a lot of action during this third quarter. Overall, hedge fund sentiment was unchanged, and Daphna Capital Management is the top investor with ownership of 0.03%. Currently, the sentiment is unchanged, but the message volume is down 66.67%. Now, if we head on over to Twitter, at Lyron Marco said, quote, VBLT, good earnings, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, beats analysis and sold more than expected. We are on the right path. And now on the other hand, if we look at what a reputable blogger has to say, according to a writer at Simply Wall Street, quote, the net loss of the company was US $6.5 million, which widened by 13% from third quarter 2020. Over the last 3 years on average, earnings per share have fallen by 3% per year, but the company's share price has increased by 22% per year, which means it is well ahead of earnings. Now, if we look at the earnings forecasts, by December 30th, 2023, the revenue is projected to be US $677.000 thousand per year, but the earnings are projected to be a negative $22.696 million per year. Now, if we take a look at the past 6 months, the stock has been all over the place, up and down and up and down and up and down right now, pretty much at rock bottom. Same for the past 1 year, but an overall increase as we are in the green. So now let's take a look at some specific senior management that we would like to highlight. Professor Dror Hartas is the founder and CEO of VBLT. He founded VBLT in 2000 based on more than 20 years of both research in the field of medicine and biotechnology, as well as a strong background in management of early to mid-stage biotechnology companies. He is also a professional and experienced consultant specializing in biotechnology/pharmaceutical healthcare companies. A professor of medicine in the Department of Internal Medicine at the Sackler Faculty of Medicine in Tel Aviv University, Professor Haratas is the president of the Bert Strassburger Lipid Center and chair of the Division of R&D. The Tiley Family Trust is the biggest investor in the subject stock with the ownership of 8.66%, with the second and third positions having the ownership of 8.04% and 5.71% respectively. The top 25 shareholders own 35.62% of the company. Overall, we have no position in any of the companies mentioned. This video is all general in nature and information is taken from simplywallstreet.com. We do not have any sort of recommendation to buy or sell any stock, and we do not take account of your objectives or your financial situation. We aim to bring you long-term focused analysis driven by fundamental data. Well guys, that's it for today's video. We hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching all the way until the end. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.